The Gujarat model now sets a new record in mismanaged corona crisis and scams. The state tops the chart with maximum number of corona-positive cases and deaths in a short span of time. The fake ventilator scam has shocked the country, where the close AD of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, businessman Virani's company, was supplying low-grade ventilators to the hospitals. Soon after the fake ventilator scam came into light, the Gujarat government was exposed of the mask scam, where the N95 masks procured at Rs 49, Rs 61 paise were being sold at Rs 65 at the Amul parlours. Congress has been questioning Prime Minister and Home Minister for the scams by the Gujarat government, as both hail from Gujarat and have been projecting the Gujarat model of development and administration. Congress spokesperson Abhishek Manu Singhvi has slammed the Prime Minister and Home Minister and the Gujarat government for being insensitive in the time of crisis.
गुजरात सरकार के भी और केंद्र सरकार के भी महानुभाव अपने खुद के प्रदेश में, अपने खुद के इलाके में इस प्रकार का अन्याय कर सकते हैं, मेडिकल इनजस्टिस, तो क्या वो देश का मदद करेंगे, सहायता करेंगे, सहानुभूति देंगे कोविड के समय?
The Gujarat High Court has also questioned the Gujarat government for malpractices and wrong handling of COVID-19 crisis. Human life is precious and cannot be wasted, the Gujarat High Court said, pulling up the civil hospital in Ahmedabad, one of the largest in the country for its handling of COVID-19 cases and patients. Labeling the hospital that has recorded over 350 COVID-19 deaths a dungeon, the court pointed out that poor and helpless patients had no option but to rely on it during the medical crisis. The civil hospital has reported the highest number of coronavirus-related deaths in the state, the bench observed. If we calculate the weekly deaths, the civil hospital still contributes to the highest number of deaths during the last 8 weeks. It is very distressing to note that most of the patients in the civil hospital are dying after 4 days or more of the treatment. This indicates complete lack of critical care, it said. Ahmedabad alone has more than 10,000 cases with 277 fresh incidences of the infection detected on Saturday. The city has reported 669 deaths linked to the virus. In its order, the court also slammed the state's Health Minister Nitin Bhai Ratilal Patel, seeking a report from Vijay Rupani-led state government. Congress has also questioned the Gujarat government for the fake ventilators, mask scams and lack of critical care facilities at hospitals. Prime Minister and Home Minister must take the responsibility of the deaths in Gujarat, said Congress.